Today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. It is also day 27 of JS for websites, and I finished I finished this video creating elements from scratch, and now I'm going to do the challenge. So, I kid you not, I'm gonna just tell you right now, I don't think I understood anything. I mean, I understood it, I just haven't practiced it, so that's what I'll do today over here, and just kind of use I don't even know, whatever. Let me just start. So, create a solar system. This web page is just a blank universe, and you'll fill it with the planets and moons in this challenge. In this first step, use JavaScript to create a div using create element, assign it the planet class, set a nice background for it, and finally append it to the body. So that would end up being in the body, in the script tag. So I have to create a variable. So I have to do a variable. Planet is equal to, is it body? Create element, and then a div tag, and then I can do planet, or I could do planet.append child to the body, or is it the planet? It's body.append child, and then I have to assign it to the planet class. So I would have to do create a div using create element, assign it the planet class. So I'll have to do planet dot class list dot add, and then do planet. Or would I have to do whoops. Let's see, create element, body.create element, variable planet, planet.class, planet, or maybe I should do, let me just check real quick. So console.log planet, Control Shift I. Where's my console? Oh, it's up the top. Oh my god. Alright, so I don't even, oh, that's cool. Add event listener, so it's probably the wrong event then. So body.create element. Is it body or is it something else? Let me open up the previous video. So it's oh, it's document. Wow, I'm so smart. That's great. It's document because I'm creating an element in the document, not in the body. I could assign it to be somewhere in the body though. So document.create element. Get rid of this. And then to create an element, I would just do the div, which is fine. And then strong EL would be somewhere here at the top. So there's, oh no, it's creating. Strong EL, so strong element. Oh, it's right there. And then dot append child, strong text. Where's strong text coming from? Oh, it's here. So create element, blah, 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 and then append child. So it's a text node. And then it's appending that into this. And then that's happening. Okay, I could do, oh, is it because it's like a C? Yes. let's see. So could do dot class name plus equal planet The element doesn't have any class names on it, so you can use, yeah, okay. Yes, I am. Oh, so smart. Alright, background colors, that would be planet dot style dot background hashtag FFF. Yes, I am. What do you mean? I have to do that before. Why doesn't it let me select it? So append it to the page. Yes, I am appending it to the page. Append child. What's the issue now? So I have a variable called image, blah blah blah. Then I have links, right? Then I have heading, and so then I have a class name, cat colors, right? And then I have headings, text line center, okay, and then document dot query selector. So P and then animal. So anytime it mentions animal, what's going to happen is that it's going to go through each of them, and it's going to create an element strong, and it's going to create an element a text node, cat, and it's going to put the strong text, which is the cat, into, so it's like what the actual text is, into the strong. So it's looking something like, like this, like strong, and then it would be like cat, and then that's kind of what's going on right now. But I'm trying to figure out. So then inner HTML, change it to blank, and then for each of them, append the child. Strong EL class doesn't even make sense. I don't even know what I'm doing. So it's like create an element, set it equal to whatever, document.body.append child. Is that why? So it would end up being, oh yeah, document.body. Wow, 5 hours just for that. So smart. Alright, so it always, so if I learned anything, is that I always have to start with the document, because that's the DOM. And yeah. So honestly, I don't have the energy today, so I'm gonna go. Or maybe not. I just kind of, I don't know. Like, I feel like I get it, but I obviously will not remember this. And yeah. So just to kind of review, I created an element, I created a div, and I added it to the body. So it's the last thing on the body. And then I accessed the background, changed the background, and then I gave it a class from over here, which is pretty cool. And that's it. So there's another step, of course there is. In this step, create another div using create element, assign it the moon class, and append it to the planet that you just created. When you're done, feel free to add many more planets and moons. Okay, so let's see if I could do this now. So that ends up being, what am I doing again? Okay, a new var, moon, set that equal to document dot create element, and it's another div, and then I'll add it to the document. So document dot body, not dot body, dot planet, what is it again, dot planet dot append child, and I'll do moon, and then I can do moon dot style dot background. I don't even know what's a good color. Let me see. I could do a red moon. Just paste that in there. And then, oh, I don't have to actually, okay, hold up. And then I could just do moon dot class name equals to moon. Did it not say, that's what I said. Append child to the planet, but it first has to be body dot planet. So body dot planet body dot div. Does it make sense? So a new div to the planet div, or are you creating in step 1? The moon div should be a child of the planet div in the DOM. That's what I did. Document.body.planet.append child and then moon. Is that not what I'm supposed to do? What now? So I'm creating it variable moon document.body.planet.append moon. Let's see. So it's document.body.append child .append child. Do I just do planet then? How does that make sense? What? So, okay, so I guess if it's a completely brand new thing, I would have to access the DOM, but now that JavaScript knows that it's where it's coming from, it automatically assumes, okay, I could just do that, I guess? Or maybe it's just because it's the first thing, it's within the body, and now everything else, you could just access it within itself very easily. Alright, so I think that's it. I don't have the energy, like, I'm losing my voice, like, actually. Like, I'm so, I don't even know. I don't even have the energy to read this, I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm going to read it some other day. Not today, though, some other day. I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna call it a day. Because today is just, I mean, it is it. Today is it. It's not that it's not it, it's it. Because it was very productive today. But I'm just tired, and I'd rather do web development. I mean, this is technically web dev, but I'd rather just do something that I know right now. Because, like, I'm getting frustrated. Because I feel like, let me just stop whining. It's not that I'm getting frustrated, it's just that it's like, I feel like I have to do a lot of practice with this. And it's like, ugh, you know. But yeah. Anyway, bye.